Hey guys, it's Bhavesh here from TechBuzz. Welcome again to another review. Today we're doing a fantastic unboxing of the Osmo Mobile Combo 3, a beautiful new gimbal from Osmo itself. I wouldn't say it's new, it's been around for a couple of months, but I managed to get my hands on one of these and I thought it would be great to unbox it together. I went for the combo pack because it comes with a tripod, I believe, along with a bag, and I'm not sure if there's any other accessories that come with it, but it was a really affordable price. I paid 2,085 Rand, which I would say is about 200 to 300 Rand off the normal price. And I thought, yeah, let's give it a go. So without further ado, welcome to the review. So this is the unboxing. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share our posts. We tend to do a lot of these reviews and we'll be doing a lot more in the future. But enjoy this one, guys. There we go. So this is the box. Very cool presentation from Osmo as always, I guess. Let's get into the box and see what's included in the package. So I will do a review on this product, so watch out for that video coming up. For the time being, this is a pure unbox of it, and we can take it from there. Okay, so what's in the box, guys? It's one component, feels quite heavy, so I believe that the actual gimbal sits within this, and another box. Let's put that aside. Okay, let's open up this guy first. So I believe this is a bag. That's great. It's always nice to have a soft carry case so that you can chuck it into your camera bag or your camera equipment, or just on a little bag that you take on holiday. A lanyard. Yay, and here's the tripod. Fantastic. This is really cool. So it allows you to do those slow pans or those time lapses that involve a bit of movement. Very nice plastic, hard, solid quality plastic. Very cool. Awesome. And it's got the DJI branding just over there as well. Okay, into the star of the show. There we go, the DJI Osmo. Fantastic. The bag quality looks really nice. It's quite hard. For those of you who own a GoPro, it reminds me of the little KC. I believe it's called the KC from GoPro. Really decent quality. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, so this is the device itself. I love how the new one just folds up so easily. And oh, they took so much attention to detail, because you even have these little silicone pieces inside so that it doesn't get scratched. It is a really solid build quality, guys. This is quite heavy, which makes me wonder what's it like lugging it around every holiday trip and holding it for a good couple of hours in your hands. But fantastic, it really feels good. So if we try and open this up, that's essentially where the your cell phone would fit, or your mobile phone rather, for our international guests on the channel. And yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing. So just to put it on the table, that is the gimbal. We get the bag, or the case rather, comes up with a soft case as well. That is your lanyard, and of course the tripod. So nice and easy one today, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I hope you enjoyed this one. Cheers, bye.